Hello, everyone. I am live. All right, there's a test. So basically, we want to discuss how Ontario has removed the work experience. So to get a job in Canada, for the most part, they require you to have Canadian experience. So most people wonder, how do you get Canadian experience if you are not in Canada, right? So there's different ways. So for example, you can study in Canada, and at the same time you can apply for work. So of course, as a student, as an apprentice or a trainee, companies are willing to give you a chance because you have not sponsorship but a college to back you up and say yes, this person is in training. You will pay them a certain amount, not the same as an experienced person, but at least you can make a difference in helping out. You're in the same environment, in the area of where you're supposed to be gaining that experience, and that's how you grow your experience. So it's a little bit tough if you do not come in through the study stream, but like I said, there's um, but for engineers in Ontario, they have removed that requirement. So it's actually pretty cool, because again, that eliminates. Can you imagine the backlog of people trying to apply and they don't qualify because they don't have that experience. It's kind of nice. It's kind of no, it helps both. It helps the applicants, international applicants, as well as it helps the companies that have these vacancies that they cannot fulfill because they cannot find experienced or local experienced candidates to apply. And even if they do apply, sometimes they don't qualify because they may not have the experience, or you know what, we can't find them. There's not enough applicants, solid applicants that will um, fill this vacancy. So many companies, they hold, do not expand, or they don't, or they are not able, so they have to cut back. Actually, most of the time they end up cutting back on the business hours, the services that they can deliver, and this is all across the board. So you're going from a entry level position all the way to really advanced and experienced individuals. So anyhow, so the great news is that if you're an engineer and then you're looking for a job or trying to migrate to Canada, now you have one less obstacle to overcome. So contact us if you have any questions or interested in learning a little bit more, and we'll be more than happy to help you out and point you in the right direction. Keep in mind, this is only for Ontario, so Toronto, Ontario. Well, in Ontario, for Toronto, Ontario. So anywhere, and that's one of the biggest province or largest province in Canada. So there's a lot of opportunities in that sector or in that area of the country. So contact us or visit Canada Living, and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye bye. All right. Let's see.